In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a camshaft position sensor on a Nissan Sentra. It is located under the hood and on the engine. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening our hood and finding our way to our engine cover. We're going to lift this up from the back as well to release it from the rubber grommets. As you can see now, we have access to our sensor. Here's our sensor and our 10mm bolt holding it down. We'll use the 10mm on a ratchet to remove it. We can now inspect it and set it aside. We can firmly grab our sensor and pull it up. You can go left to right as well. And here's your sensor. I'm going to grab the tab on the connector and pull the sensor out. Inspect for any damage or corrosion. You can now set the sensor aside. Now before we install our new sensor, I'll be using a clean rag and some brake clean to clean the mating surface. Now here's our new sensor. Before I install it, I will be lubricating the O-ring with some motor oil. Just a little dab and take it around the O-ring. Now to install our new sensor. And firmly press down to get the O-ring seated. Now our 10mm bolt. Now I'm just going to snug it down. Make sure it's on securely. Next, I'm going to reinstall my connector. Make sure you hear the audible click and make sure it's secure. And now for the engine cover. Place these tabs in the rubber grommets and push down firmly. Two in the front and two in the back. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, close your hood, start the vehicle, take it for a test drive, and if you have any codes, erase them. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.